Hey everybody, if you're looking to declutter and organize your kitchen in a smart way, you're gonna wanna stick around for this review and demo because I'm gonna be showcasing this innovative, extra large trash bag organizer and dispenser made by Sortany. So let's start with the unboxing. Once you unpackage this, it is pretty much ready to go, whether you're going to mount it on the wall or put it beneath the sink or anywhere else in the house. If you do want to mount it on the wall, this comes with screws specifically designed for wall mounting, also comes with drywall anchors, so that's good to know. On the back side of this, it has easy to mount holes. On the front side of this, it has a big size front opening to fit big trash bags. It also has non-slip rubber pad and a lightweight lid. So I absolutely love the design. The product dimensions are 11 by 7 by 7, and this is going to fit standard and large rolls of 13, 30, and 33 gallons. So all the name brand bags that you use, they are going to fit inside this box. It holds approximately 110 bags. So you have a lot of different options as far as where you can keep this. You can put it on the countertop. Like I said, you can put it beneath the sink. You can mount it on the wall. I also even tested this out in an office environment, and it looks great in an office as well. If you're at work and you need something to make that trash bag dispenser look nice, this is exactly what that does. Now, as far as the design of this is made of high quality natural bamboo, and it also is going to match those rustic kitchen looks. It has a smooth surface, it is waterproof and dustproof, and you can tell that the design is long lasting. So this is going to match with a lot of different kitchens. Again, it's going to fit a lot of different bags. And if you think about it, this is one of those products that you're just so glad it came along, because I think most of us just use the trash bags out of the box that we purchase it in, but we don't really bother to think of how that can actually add to the clutter and mess that often comes with how beneath the sink looks in a lot of people's homes. In this case, it's going to clean it up, make it look nice and organized, and you're going to be able to just reach down and grab those trash bags whenever you need them. In conclusion, I absolutely love this trash bag organizer. I can't believe that I haven't come across something like this before, but it's smart. You can place this under your sink, you can put it in your office, you can put it in so many places, and it just makes things look more neat and tidy. I also love that this can hold dozens of trash bags inside this compartment, has plenty of space, and it has that type of design and look that really is going to fit with any type of kitchen design. 2 thumbs up for this. Thanks for watching.